Mumbai, the city of dreams. Every year, thousands of people move here, chasing something big with the hopes of fulfilling their dreams. And this year, I am one of them. I've just shifted here to pursue a bachelor's degree in filmmaking. Yup, I am going all in.
ओ मैडम जी किधर लिफ्ट बंद है आज।
I'll be spending the next 3 years in this city and I'm going to document every bit of it. Because the truth is, Mumbai is magical, but it's also brutal. The fast paced lifestyle, the local trains, the monsoon, the traffic, the chaos, the housing crisis, it's not made for the weak hearted. But I'm here to experience all of it, the highs and the lows, and I'm going to take you all along this journey. This is my real, unfiltered journey. My goals, struggles, lessons, financial challenges, PG life, college chaos, and all the little joys in between. This is the start of a new series that I'm calling Until It Happens. Just finished unpacking. College starts from tomorrow, and before I get into the hustle, I want to set some goals for myself. So, let's start. The first one being I want to inspire people. If you're someone with big dreams that feel too far, I want to remind you through my journey that it's not impossible. Not if you keep showing up. Moving on, consistency is something that I've always struggled with. If you have been following me for a while, you might know that I started my YouTube journey with a bang and then slowly everything fizzled out. But now I have a clock ticking on my head. I have 3 years to prove myself and my family that I did not make a mistake coming here, that I'm here for a reason. So I have to keep showing up every single day for myself. If I'm being completely honest with you, I'm not really satisfied with the quality of content that I'm creating right now. I have so much to learn and unlearn, but I believe that being with like minded people in college will help me grow creatively. Next is becoming independent, not just financially, but emotionally, mentally, practically, and physically. I want to be able to solve my own problems, enjoy my own company without any distractions, build healthier habits, and face uncertainty head on. This phase of my life is all about becoming someone I can rely on. Now, I'm not a saint, so I have materialistic goals as well. I want to buy a Cineline camera, Sony FX3 to be specific, because who doesn't? Then, to give justice to that footage, I want to buy a MacBook. Then, I want to buy all the expensive lights and gear, and I want to build my own setup. Eventually, I want my own space, a tiny studio apartment because PG life sucks. Honestly, I don't know exactly where this journey is going to take me. I don't have everything figured out, and maybe that's okay. But what I do know is that I want to give it everything I've got. Some days are going to be exciting, some days will be really hard, some days I'll want to quit, but I'll keep showing up. Messy, tired, inspired, confused, all of it. This series isn't about overnight success or big cinematic moments. It's about the in betweens, the struggles, and I would love for you people to be a part of it because this is just the beginning. And I'm not stopping until it happens.